User access allows you to invite your security team members to the client portal with a secure password, allowing them to check reports and all the critical data shared with you by the Security Guard company. To manage user access, follow these simple steps.
Click on the company name on the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down.
Now, go to the User Access tab and click on
Invite.
On the next screen that pops up, enter the name, email ID, and select the location. And once you are done, simply click Submit. The user will receive an invite in the email where he can register and log in to access the client portal. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.